Word of God is pure. He is a shield to those who put their trust in Him. With this lovely thought, I wish you all a very good morning. Okay, students, all of you all take out your ENV notebook. Today we will be doing Chapter 4, Animals and Birds, question number 4. Choose the correct answers. So, students, Chapter number 4, Animals and Birds, question number 4 is choose the correct answers. Number 1, gorilla lives in the forest or city. So we will underline the forest. Number 2, we live in a dash world. Bad or wonderful. So we will underline wonderful. Number 3, animals that live on trees are monkey or rabbit. So we will underline monkey. Number 4, frog lives on land and water or trees. So we will underline water. Okay, students, now we will go to question number 5. On the next page, you will write, answer the following questions. Number 1, what do we call the animals that live in forest? Answer is wild animals. Number 2, name any two animals that eat the flesh of other animals. You will write lion and tiger. Number 3, what is the home of a horse called? You will write in the answer a stable. Number 4 is where do birds live? Answer is in a nest. Number 5 is name a bird that does not fly. Answer is a penguin. Number 6, name two animals that live on land and in water. You will write frog and crocodile. Okay, students, finish writing. With this, we end today's session. So, students, goodbye. May God pour out His blessings on you and your family. So, stay home, stay safe, and thank you.